Hello, this is Mrs. Brown, and I am the teen parenting instructor. In this video, I'm going to go over how this class works and how to work through the material. So I'm just going to scroll down here to the class announcement. This announcement stays visible throughout the trimester. So the teen parenting class is a class that's meant to be a support to you. It is not like your other classes like English and math where you have live lessons, assignments that might be due every day, have due dates. It's run very different. So the class is always open and it's up to you to complete things on your own as you have the time to do so. The good news is that you can earn that half a credit by completing all of the content in this class throughout the trimester. So in order to earn credit, you do have to complete all activities satisfactorily. So you do have to complete it entirely to earn the credit. It's not like your other classes where you have to get it 60% only to pass. You do have to complete all the activities. So I do encourage you to complete the work. It is definitely worth that half a credit, and you will benefit from learning what it has to offer. Okay, so you can remain in this class for an entire year, but you will only earn that half a credit one time. You can also just be in this class and access the content at your own convenience whenever you'd like, just as support for yourself. So how to work through this content. The only unit that you will work through in this class is the unit that's titled How to Raise Emotionally Healthy Children. So if you go ahead here and open up the unit, I'm just going to go over what is included here. So the only content, if you will, is this video. There are no reading assignments. It's just this one video. So if you open up the video, you'll be able to push play, and it's about 25 minutes long, this video. And all of your assignments are going to be based off of this video. So if we go back to the unit, you'll then see all of your assignments. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 discussions, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 activities. So I'm going to go through each of those now. So for discussion 1, 2, 3, and 4, you'd go about them in the same way. Just open up the discussion, and then here it will give you some instructions. This discussion goes off the first 8 minutes of the video. I would encourage you to literally just copy these questions and then start a new thread, paste them in, and then answer them so that you're making sure that you are answering all parts of the discussion. And then you can enter your own subject. Okay, so that's how you will do discussions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just go into each discussion, copy the questions, and make sure that you're answering them according to the video that you watched. I am looking for evidence that you did watch the video and you are thinking and giving answers based off of that. So now for the activities. If we go down to activity 1 is a little bit different than activities 2, 3, and 4 because it has an assignment for 5 days in a row, and you're going to reflect on your behaviors that help you learn about yourself and any potential parenting problems by responding for 5 consecutive days on some questions. So if you click on day 1, you'll see the questions here. Once again, I encourage you simply just to copy these 4 questions, paste it into a Word document, and answer them, and then submit. And you'll do that for 5 days in a row. So that's activity 1. The same for questions for all 5 days. Activity 2, same thing. If you just open up the assignment here, I would encourage you to simply just copy and paste these questions into a Word document, and then you'll submit. And you'll do the same for activity 3 and 4. So that is the content and the activities. You have one 25-minute video, and then you'll have 4 discussions, and then 4 activities. Okay, so that brings you to a total of, let's see, how many submissions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 things that you will submit. So you must submit all 12 to earn credit. All right, so if we go back to the class homepage and just take a look at the class plan, you'll see that the class is outlined on the class plan as a suggestion. You don't have to follow this exactly. If you are able to do it in 2 weeks, that's just fine. So you'll just watch the video and complete the work as you're able. I just have it plotted out so that you're able to complete it within the trimester. Okay, and if we go into the course materials, if you're liking to follow that, you can also open the printable calendar, which just has it outlined just like it is on the course plan. And then last, in the course materials, I am available if you would like to meet with me or talk with me, and my contact information is right here. I hope this helps you navigate through the teen parenting class, and if you have any questions, please let me know.